what's going on, guys? Booster Whips here. I'm going to be doing a video now of the night view of the V4 taillights by High Rev Sports. Once again, these are available at 3:30 with my promo code, so make sure you email me at boosterwhipsofficial@gmail.com. The smoked version is sold out, but there are some red ones available. So anyways, I'm gonna get into the night view of this. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on so you guys can see the power on animation. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the turn signals now. And now I'm gonna go ahead and hit the brakes. Go ahead and hit reverse now, and then I'm gonna shut off the lights and hit the brake again so you guys can see how it looks. Alright guys, there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching again. Booster Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant night, and God bless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.